How to fix a sagging headliner. The last thing you want to deal with while driving is a sagging headliner that can distract you. You can use paint rollers, steam cleaners, sequin pins, clear-headed twist pins, glue, double-sided tape, and steam to fix sagging car roof linings. You have 4 options for repairing your car roof liner without taking it off: gluing it back in place, fastening it to the roof of the vehicle, using double-sided tape, or utilizing a steam cleaning and paint roller. So let's learn how to fix a sagging headliner. Make use of glue. The simplest approach to fixing a headliner that has started to droop at a corner or along the borders of your car is to use glue, specifically a spray-on headliner adhesive designed for installing car roof lining. If you don't have a professional spray adhesive, hot glue will do the job. Attach it to the car's roof. Additionally, pinning the lining of a sagging car roof will fix the issue. Your headliner should look brand new if you just use a few pins, push pins, sequin pins, clear-headed twist pins, etc., to push through the fabric layer and into the foam backing board. Utilize a paint roller and a steam cleaner. Simply apply the steam cleaner to the liner, wait for the old glue to melt from the heat, then use the paint roller to smooth out any wrinkles in the fabric so that it settles up evenly to reconnect your sagging headliner fabric. Use two-sided tape. Another alternative for fixing a sagging headliner is to reattach it using double-sided tape, paying great attention to the edges and corners. Be careful because this is probably the least successful of the recommended techniques. Since tape loses its stickiness more quickly than glue does, it should be used more as a stopgap than as a long-term remedy. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.